Hi, myself Gautam Kumar TM from Venkateshwar College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I'm going to explaining about waste auditing and polluting prevention opportunities in sugar industry and pulp and paper industry. First, let us look into the contents. We will start with the introduction, then we'll move on to the overview of sugar industry, the waste auditing in sugar industry, pollution prevention in sugar industry, overview of pulp and paper industry, waste auditing in pulp and paper industry, pollution prevention in pulp and paper industry. Then we'll see the economy and environmental benefits of both sugar and pulp and paper industry. First, let us look in the introduction. What is waste auditing? Waste auditing is a systematic process to identify and quantify the and evaluate the waste streams within the industry operations. They may help in pinpointing the efficiency and uncover the opportunities of reducing waste and pollution. Now let us look into what is pollution prevention. Pollution prevention focuses on reducing waste such at the resource rate that treating it after it's created. It involves in modifying process, using eco-friendly materials and enhancing operational efficiency. Relevance to sugar and pulp and paper industry. These industries are resources intervention generating significant amount of solid, liquid or gaseous waste. They present substantial opportunity for waste reduction, resource recovery and pollution control. Now let us look into the overview of sugar industry. The main key process of sugar production is sugar cane cultivates and harvesting, which comes from farmers. Now, next is juice extraction and classification. Next, we extract juice from the sugar canes and classify in some parts. Next is crystallizing and dyeing, which is mainly about converting the sugar juice to sugar. Next one is the major waste streams. That is, there are mainly four things. That is biogas, molasses, press mud, and efficiency. Biogas, fabric resistance, which is leftover juice extracts. Molasses, byproduct of sugar crystal. By crystallizing the biomass or foamy type substance which comes out. Next is press mud, reducing from juice classification, which is scraps by cleaning the sugarcane. Next, influence water waste from cleaning and processing the sugar or any other things from sugar industry. Now let us look into the what is waste auditing in sugar industry. The purpose of waste auditing is to identify the quality and water waste stream generation during sugar production, to analyze efficiency resource utilization. Steps to conducting waste auditing. First, we need to collect data. Then we need to map waste streaming. Next, we need to qualify the waste, identifying the opportunity of improvement. Next key area of auditing in this sugar industry is energy consumption, that is boiling and tubes, boilers and tubes, water usages and water waste discharges, garbage and other byproducts from the sugar industry. Now let us look into the pollution prevention in sugar industry. The principles of pollution prevention is resource resistance, reducing waste generated at the resource rather than managing after the fact. Resource recovery, maximum of reused and recycled by byproducts. Efficient resource use, minimizing the consumption of water, energy and raw materials. Now let us look into the key. Now let us look at a step by step where we can prevent from pollution. First is recycling baggages from energy production for energy production, using baggages as fuels in boilers to produce steam and electricity, reducing reliance on external energy sources. It can be used as biogas products or raw materials for other industry like fiber boards. Molasses conversion to ethanol. Instead of disposing molasses, it can be converted into bioethanol, reducing environment impact while efficiently renewable energy resources. Efficient treating and reusing. Impact advanced tech treatments using biogas treatments, membrane filtration to reduce waters to use in other stages of production. Waste to value innovation. Press mud can be used as fertilizer or biogas feedstock, exploring potential of other organic waste for composting or biomass fuel. Now let us look into the overview of pulp and paper industry. In this, we'll see the key process of pulp and paper production. That is pulping, converting wood or bamboo or other fabrics to pulp. Mechanism like chemicals, semi-chemicals methods. Bleaching, removing inclination, braiding of pulp from high quality paper production. Paper formation, pressing and dyeing of paper into thin sheets. Now let us look into the major waste streams of paper and pulp industry. Black, there are only four types. That is black liquor, surger, chemical reducers, and air emissions. First, let us look into the black liquor, a byproduct of pulping process containing leaking chemicals and water. Surging solid waste generated from wastewater treatment and pulp processing. Chemical reducer. Leftover chemicals are bleaching and other chemical processes. Emitting from burst liquid, solvent, or vital organic compounds. Now let's look into the waste audience auditings in pulp and paper industry to and evaluate the opportunity improvement of reusing the or minimizing the enhancing of system. Now let us look into the steps in conducting waste auditing. First, we need to collect data, gathering data of raw material like wood and chemical, energy consumption, and water resource usages. Next is waste stream mapping, mapping of flow of materials, energy, and water through the process. Qualifying waste, measuring the amount of waste production like black liquid per ton of paper, surging per meter cube, or of infusing. Evaluating waste by types of solids, liquids, and air. Identifying the opportunities of improvement, exploring opportunities of recycling energy records and waste value techniques. Now let's look into the pollution prevention of pulp and paper industries. This is we also use the principles of pollution prevention for this even for this pulp and paper industry. Now let us look into key pollution prevention strategies in pulp and paper industries. Now, first one is black liquor recovery and energy production. Black liquor is a byproduct of pulping process containing lignin and chemicals can be burned through generating energy. Water conservation and efficient implementing water recycling and closed loop systems, minimizing water consumption. Next, minimizing chemical usages and water. Using alternative eco-friendly chemicals by pulping and bleaching process like oxygen delighting, improving chlorine. Next is efficiency measurement, optimizing energy use by providing the efficiency of equipment like paper dyeing and steam boiler. Now, waste boiling techniques, converting the surge paper to other waste like variables product like compost, biogas, and alternative fuels. Now let us look into the economic and environmental benefits. First, let us look into the environmental benefits. Reducing waste generations, low water consumption, reducing greenhouse gases, and enhancing ecosystem production. Now let us look into the economic benefits. Saves costs, cost saving on waste management, reducing savings, resource efficiency, and revenue of byproducts, reducing complaints and implementing marketable brands. This is about the auditing of sugar industry and pulp and paper industry.